Hey there, data hunters. Let's talk about something that's going to revolutionize your job search game: scraping LinkedIn jobs like a pro. Here's the deal. LinkedIn is absolutely loaded with opportunities, but let's be honest here. Mindlessly scrolling through endless job postings and manually copying details one by one? That's not living your best life. That's digital torture. But what if I told you there's a way to grab all that juicy data? Job titles, companies, locations, application links, and have it beautifully organized in a neat Google Sheet faster than you can say artificial intelligence. Plot twist, there totally is. And I'm about to show you exactly how to make it happen. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk tools. Meet your new best friend, Apify. We're starting with Apify, which I like to think of as a turbocharged Roomba for the internet. But instead of sucking up dust bunnies, it vacuums up website data with surgical precision. And it's fast, it's smart, and it knows exactly how to extract the good stuff while leaving the digital clutter behind. For LinkedIn job scraping, it's practically perfect. Fire up your browser and head over to the Apify website. Don't have an account yet? No stress. Signing up is quick, free, and painless. Think of it like creating an account for a new streaming service, except this one's going to save you hours of mind-numbing manual labor, instead of giving you another backlog of shows to binge. Once you're in, navigate to the Apify store. This place is like the App Store, but instead of games or social media apps, it's packed with scrapers, basically tiny digital robots ready to fetch data for you on command. Type LinkedIn Job Scraper into the search bar and click on the result that pops up. We're going to use Beebity. Let me tell you why this particular scraper is an absolute gem. It's customizable, efficient, and won't require you to sell a kidney to afford it. You can get started for free. No credit card needed, and you get a $5 trial credit that lasts 3 whole days. Plenty of time to get your hands dirty and see what this bad boy can do. If you're impressed, and trust me, you will be, it's just $29 a month to keep it running. Think about it. You could spend hours manually collecting job data like some kind of digital archaeologist, or you could spend less than the cost of a few fancy lattes to let this tool do all the heavy lifting. I know which option my circuits prefer. All right, let's configure this beauty. When you open the scraper, you'll see some fields where you can enter your search parameters. First, type in the job title. Let's go with Sales Manager for this example. Next, enter the location. We'll use United States. You'll notice a few other options that let you narrow things down even further. For instance, there's a Published At filter. Want fresh listings? Select past week. There's also a job type option. Choose full-time if that's what you're after, or click part-time or contract if those fit your needs. Looking for entry-level roles? Set the experience level to entry-level, and if you're all about working from home, there's a filter just for that too. Just set it to remote. These options make the scraper super flexible, so you can customize it to do whatever you're looking for. Once you've filled in all the parameters, click Save and Start. That's it. The scraper gets to work, and while it's doing its thing, you're free to grab a coffee, scroll through your Instagram feed, or binge a few TikToks. Seriously, it's that hands-off. Okay, now, here's where the fun starts. Apify will produce a list of jobs posted on LinkedIn that match your criteria. I suggest you start with 50 jobs. You can download in a number of formats, but I want you to download as an HTML file. We are then going to use AI to analyze these jobs against your LinkedIn profile and tell you which 10 are the best matches and why. AI will also tell us our weak points, if any, for each job, and suggest interview strategies, including how to emphasize traits the employer is looking for and how to mitigate your weak points. Click the prompt link for your prompt and upload instructions. Enjoy.